Hi, my name is Kamala Ramsey, and I'm the creator of the show Unconventional Cozy. So, in January of 2024, I left home on a one-way ticket to Mexico with absolutely no plan, but I needed to do it for damn near free or on a budget. So I decided to do it through an app called Workaway, where I was able to volunteer with families or hostels in exchange for free food and accommodation. And after 6 months of incredible unconventional living, I can 100% say that it's saved my life and it's changed my life for the better. Which is why now I have dedicated my life to showcasing unique and alternative spaces and places just to show you that different can be fulfilling. And maybe, just maybe, most of our answers are on the other side of how we've been taught to live. So with that being said, today I find myself in the beautiful city of Medellin, Colombia, otherwise known as the city of eternal spring because, oh my God, it's hot as hell here. But this Airbnb is located in the heart of the city, and this space has all of the amenities that you need to live a comfortable life here. This space features a private balcony, bathroom, kitchen, washer, dryer, smart TV, fan, and an exceptional view of the city's skyline and their Sky Metro. And if you thought it couldn't get any better, the price is just $267 USD for 1 month. If you don't believe me, let's get cozy. Start with everybody's favorite part, which is the bedroom, which has exceptionally clean tile floors, a cozy queen-size bed, which makes it perfect for sharing with you and a partner, and honestly, some pretty high ceilings, which is so important in a small space because it does make it feel more spacious. Speaking of space, you have 3 options to choose from. My favorite was this wooden dresser. When you open, you have hangers, and enough shelves, 1, 2, 3, 4 to house whatever you like. This dresser is right next to the bed and it can be used as a nightstand and to hold most of your personal belongings. One is located under the TV that has 3 drawers as well. Remember that skyline view I was talking about? This is it. That's right, this is the complete view of the city, the mountains, and the Sky Metro directly from the bed. And this is me sitting down and leaning back just a little bit. Also have the option to have this window open or closed. Plus you have complete blackout shades right here to use at your disposal. So now let's take a look at the bathroom because trust me, for me, that's my most important aspect of anywhere I'm staying. For me, I find my most peace and comfort in the bathroom, so let's see what we're working with. Honest, this place did not disappoint. Located right next to the largest dresser, you have the bathroom, and here she is. This is currently with the lights off and with natural lighting coming from the one window that's located in here. Now, this is how the bathroom looks with the light on, and it did not disappoint. I love it. Here you have your own sink, your own soap that they provide, a face towel they provide as well, along with a towel to dry your body, and soap that they provide as well. The rain shower head is such a nice touch, along with these blue and brown tiles. It's such a calm vibe in here. Now, immediately transitioning from the bathroom, here is the balcony that has that traditional South American flair. As you can see, there is a barbecue grill featured right outside, along with this beautiful greenery. And wait, there's more. This is the full view from the balcony. Now, when you take a slight look to your left, you can see the city, the mountains, and people living their everyday lives. And this is the view from the right. I think we can all agree what an amazing view from both inside the bedroom and on the spacious balcony. But what does the kitchen have to offer? Well, here is a full view. I'm obsessed with the tile work. First of all, come through colors. I'm loving the brown. This is the refrigerator. Did I say that right? Refrigerator. As you can see, my fridge is stocked with colors. It's kept everything cold, including my sauces, my fruits, and vegetables. Now over here are an abundance of cleaning supplies along with the washing machine. And guys, there is no dryer as you saw in the previous clip. It is hang dry, so please excuse me for that mistake. But honestly, that shouldn't matter, guys, because here we are unconventionally cozy. Now here you have your blender, coffee maker, and these amazing plates. I love the patterns, so classy, and cups as well. You have everything you need to cook, your silverware, forks, knives, spoons, and then you have any pot you can imagine, along with huge soup pots right over on this side. There you have it. So far, I think we've really covered accessibility and comfortability of the space, especially since the kitchen is just 5 steps away from the bedroom. This Airbnb truly proves that limited space can still be functional. So now that you guys got a glimpse of what this place truly has to offer and my pair, I wanted to get behind the mind of the Airbnb owner, right? I've always been so fascinated with what actually pushed them to welcome strangers in their space, and I wanted to get down to the nitty-gritty. And so I sat down with her to have a chat.
Mi nombre es Rosa Muñoz, soy colombiana de Medellin, Antioquia.
So can you tell us about the Airbnb upstairs? Is this your house? And what made you be willing to accept complete strangers?
A ver, tenía necesidad de dinero. Y sí, esta es mi casa. ¿Qué me hizo que alquilar a personas desconocidas? No sé, quería conocer gente. Me ha llegado gente muy amable, maravillosa. Me gusta mucho a las personas que vienen de otras partes ofrecerles los platos típicos. Me encantan cuando les gusta. Me encantan verlos comer y degustar las cosas que hago.
So why should people choose your place?
¿Por qué deberían elegir mi lugar? Por la amabilidad de la familia, porque nos gusta hacerlo sentir como en casa, como en familia. Porque nos gusta que el lugar se mantenga limpio, porque nos gusta que la persona tenga privacidad y tranquilidad. El lugar es muy seguro, está muy cerca a todo transporte, a las revuelterías, a los supermercados y a muchos lugares turísticos.
So for the people who live here long term, what do you think they like most about the space and small living?
¿Qué es lo que puedo ofrecerles a las personas que llegan? La limpieza, la tranquilidad, la privacidad. Y las personas que vienen buscando eso, aquí lo encuentran.
Well, folks, you heard it here first. While she did start Airbnb because she needed the money, everyone here is family. And she means that. Literally, when we were done filming, she offered to cook me sopas. And I said, yeah, where else are they going to cook for you at an Airbnb? Okay? So if this inspired you to book this space, I'll leave the link in the description down below. And I will actually be here for a month. And I've only been here for 1 week. And she has been the most gracious, loving woman. I've met her husband, and her granddaughter, who you will see on the profile on Airbnb. And yeah, and not to mention, she also cleans the Airbnb every week. So complimentary cleaning. Hello, it's just so good to be true. That's why this is more than an Airbnb. This is a space for you to call home, which is why she earned her feature on Unconventional Cozy. I'm your host, Kamala Ramsey, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Mwah.